Morning, Julie. Could you, if I give you my address, could you tell me if there's any warrants outstanding, please?
What name is it?
It's for Carly.
Carly with a C?
Yes.
C-A-R-L-Y?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
No, nothing.
No warrants outstanding?
No.
Thank you.
Right from the jump, he's establishing something very important: lack of notice. In legal terms, if no one asked him to leave, it weakens any claim of trespass or wrongdoing. But here's the question for you: does being not told to leave automatically mean you're in the clear, or is there more to it?
I am filming for my protection.
Oh yeah.
And you are?
Unfortunately, though, I don't give you my permission to film me.
I can film you.
Yeah, but I don't give you my permission.
Well, I can in a public place, sir. What's your name?
I'm not arguing.
I'm not.
I don't give you permission to spread it onto social media. Then, okay?
It's not going on social media.
Right. So you're the.
Well, Are
you the customer?
No.
So you're not going to let me speak to the customer?
No, I'm acting as agent for that customer because they're vulnerable, and I've had full authority to deal with that today. So you need to deal with me.
In order for me to deal with the vulnerability side of it,
that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. She's given. Do you give me full authority?
I do.
Thank you. There you go.
If I can speak to her.
Sorry.
Then.
Because the way she is with her and her partner. I mean, have you done a risk assessment? Do you know the vulnerabilities before you went for the warrant?
Well,
then can I see the warrant?
We have done a visit, yeah.
Can I see? Well, do you know what the vulnerabilities are?
Well, no, because there were nobody in.
But do you know? Yeah, but you should do a risk assessment.
Well, the risk assessment's visual, isn't it?
No, it's before. Even if you got a locksmith here.
It's done visual. Anyway, I'm not here to.
Right, could I see the warrant?
Discuss this and sort the problem out.
Well, that's what I'm here for, to seek remedy. I have permission. Could I see the warrant, please? I'm not going to snatch it off you.
There you go.
Thank you. I'm not going to snatch it. Can I just have a look, please?
Notice how the tension is building, more units arriving, but no direct engagement yet. This is classic escalation optics. Multiple officers can make a situation feel serious even before anything legally significant happens. So ask yourself, is this about safety or perception?
And the date that was signed and the eligible of the...
Tells you the date there.
No, the name of the Justice of the Peace that signed that.
Well, it's whatever that name is there.
But who is? Don't, God, this is... Which is who?
Well, that name there.
Which is who?
Well, that name
I don't know who that is.
Well, I don't either.
Well, you went to court.
You need to go to apply to the Leeds Magistrates Court where it was signed. I'm not the person who went to court.
On the letter, you're going under Section 2 of the Warrants of Entry.
Right. If you want to know who that is, then... Are we here to deal with the problem?
Yes.
Or are we here to discuss court matters?
We're here to deal with the problem.
Let's deal with the problem.
Right, and that's what I'm here for.
Right, so
can I talk to you?
Yes.
Civilly?
Yeah, but isn't that what we're doing? Or trying to?
Please.
But you're going on about courts.
Yes, because I want to see the warrant. I want to see, I've asked for the warrant.
I've shown you it.
Well, there's still some discrepancy. Right.
So let's deal with the issue.
Right.
Instead of discrepancies and...
The issue is vulnerability.
Okay, so
the issue is that the lady has mental issues. The gentleman is in a wheelchair.
Okay.
She's on medication. She's got back problems.
Right. Okay.
They haven't got money to rub together.
So first of all, I need to obviously visually see this. I appreciate what you're saying. And it's not that I don't believe you, but the company does need to see that as a visual thing. I can't just turn around to them and say, oh, well, this gentleman here who stood at the gate says that this is the problem, and they go, oh, okay.
Well, I'm telling you it is a problem because that's why I'm here, because she can't deal with it. She cannot deal with the situation. She's given me full authority. You're not gaining access to the property, sir.
I need to get a reading.
You're not gaining access to the property.
But how am I supposed to resolve it? I'm going to ask you. I
am trying to resolve it with you. You're going under the... Listen to what I'm saying. You're going under the warrants of entry. You're going...
This is actually a smart move. He's creating physical space and narrating it on camera. That does two things. It signals non-aggression and builds a record. Intense encounters, small actions like this can make a huge difference. But here's the twist. Will the officers see this as cooperation or control?
But you're the gas agent. You've applied for the warrant.
I can't help the customer when you're doing this.
You've applied for the warrant.
But I can't help the customer. Forget the warrant.
No, the warrant is important. It's fundamental to this.
Let's help the customer.
Well, I'm trying to, but you're not engaging. Show
I'm
me.
sorry.
You're not.
I'm sorry. I am engaging. I'm telling you what I need to do.
Right, and
in
I'm
order
telling
to do
you on
that.
the letter that
And you're
you
saying that you
put.
won't let me in.
The letter.
need to see
Listen
the
to what I'm
customer and the
saying.
circumstances.
The letter that you sent. You're going under the warrants of entry, section 2. That is
Forget
for
the
health.
warrant.
No, it's not. Forget
the warrant. Let's
we're
help
not
the
forgetting the
customer.
warrant.
Let's help the customer.
Okay, well,
you
I'm here then to offer remedy.
All you guys want to do is to put British Gas down by going on about warrants and this and this and this. Let's help the
How am I
customer.
putting British Gas out?
Let's help the customer.
Right.
I'm here to help the customer.
Right, I'm telling you she's vulnerable and they can't
Right.
afford it.
Well,
now,
then
to put,
I'm saying to
and they
you-
do not consent to prepayment meters. End
Right,
of.
That's fine. That's
These
fine,
need
okay.
to apply
I've got
for
other
a-
thing, we've got
Right,
other
these
arrangements
need
that we
to,
can set up.
these need to
I need
apply
to-
for a grant.
Right. Well,
They haven't got the money.
I need to get a reading. I need to confirm that this is, that the customer is vulnerable. You saying so, I'm afraid, is not good enough.
Well, we'll have to wait then.
Wait for what?
We'll wait till the police come then.
Well, why are the police going to
Because
come?
then I've
Why
got.
do I have to involve the police?
Because then I can have the police here before they go into the property
So bring the
to
police
to,
then.
to protect
Are you
us
gonna ring
and
them
to
then?
protect you.
Are you going to ring the
Well, I
police?
thought that would be you to ring the
Well, I
police.
don't need to ring the police. All I need to do is just get. All I need to do is to see that this is the case, and then it's a quick phone call to the office. The office, we have a customer care team. Okay,
I know
who
you
deal
do.
with vulnerability. They will take the call over the call, speak to the customer,
Yeah.
and sort something else out with
Yeah.
them. If nothing can be sorted out, then we just walk away.
It can be sorted out, but
why,
they cannot.
Why do I need to get the police? It's a 5-10 minute job,
What
and
gets?
you're making it all difficult for
No,
me
I'm
to
not
do my
making it all
job.
difficult for you.
You are.
I'm not.
But you won't let me go
You're
and see it.
you
I'm
sent
not
a letter.
going to do anything with the meter.
British Gas have sent a letter to this lady,
I'm not
and
gonna
this
do
is
anything with the
fundamental to the
meter.
case. And you said you're going under the rights, the power of entry under Section 2 to fit a prepayment meter.
I'm not going to fit a meter.
Well, that's on that letter.
If the customer is vulnerable,
The customer is vulnerable.
well then let me deal with it. Let me do my job.
I'm engineer. I'm the only one that can deal with any facility.
Well, I'm just saying they don't. I'm polite. I'm not being. That's why I'm recording for our protection.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm
not
Right,
even qualified
and
to
they
do
do not
anything with a
consent.
meter.
They do not consent to pre-made meters.
I am not able to touch that meter anyway. I can read it, I can touch it, but I can't turn it off.
It's only me that can
I'm
do
not
that.
qualified
I'll
to
wait
do
here,
that.
that's-
I'm not qualified
I'll
to
say
do
we have
that.
Annie if you want.
Now this is where things get tactical. He's not just defending himself, he's going on the offensive legally. By naming specific offenses, he's forcing the officers to consider other people's liability. But here's the big question: does raising legal points help your case or risk irritating the officers?
Simon Bates.
What, that's you?
No, that's you. We have crossed before in the past, before Christmas.
I don't think we
I
are.
think we did.
No, I don't think
We
so.
have on another property,
What property is that?
on a property that you tried to get in and force entry
What property
on
is
a warrant.
What property is that?
That's property on the other side of Leeds from where we are today.
Are you Kevin?
I'm Kevin.
Oh, right. No, it's not Bates anyway.
Right, it's Simon.
Yeah, it
But
is
if-
Simon, yeah. But as I say, I'm here to help. I don't want to.
All right,
you know,
I
if she's
respect you
vulnerable-
for that, and that's
if
what
she's
I'm here
vulnerable,
for.
I
She
can ring
is.
this department up and they'll speak to
Right.
her. But you know what I mean? I can't do it
Will
through
you just stay there then?
Yeah, and
Thank
you go
you.
find out if that's all right, yeah?
This right here is the turning point. The officer gives what sounds like a rule, but it's actually advice, not law. In most public spaces, filming people is legal. So now the tension shifts. Does he comply to keep things calm or stand on his rights and risk escalation?